Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2019 Honda Civic Sport. Coming in this nice coupe body style, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the manual transmission. We do get a nice backup camera, nice light bar that goes across the back of the vehicle. We got the nice looking rims on here, silver and black trim. Got the 2 doors, nice with the coupe body style. And moving to the front, we do get that lovely Honda grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got a cargo mat as well. Can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, which is always pretty handy, and you do get your additional storage underneath. Taking a look on the inside of the vehicle, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, manual adjustable seats, plenty of door space in the back, powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got your hood, trunk, got traction, collision, lane centering, and to get to the back here, you do get floor mats both up front and in the back. Collapses, move your seat up front, and you have access to your back 3 passengers. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 94,131 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, lane centering. We got our toggle-free screen, volume, enter, phone, voice, all that jazz. Keyless entry or remote start. And you can go through all your trip A and B's at the bottom here, odometers. Remember, we got our manual transmission, brake hold with parking brake, econ mode. We do get cup holders so you can slide back and forth for more additional storage underneath. You got a USB. This does lift up for more storage. You got more storage here as well, and underneath with some outlets. Heated front seats with dual climate up front. Storage below. And above me, we do get our features for our little sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our main screen here, we got our climates and our little climate functions up here or down there, totally up to you. Got your home, you got your little brightness up here. Audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, iPod, all that jazz. Got our home screen, phone, settings, Honda Link, instrument panel, widgets and stuff you can set up. And shifting to reverse, give me like 2 seconds. We do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA62286A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.